Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Gmail not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Scroll down and search Gmail app. So scroll down and you will see Gmail app is here, so click on Gmail app. Scroll down and click on storage. So after click on storage, so if you want to fix Gmail not working problem, so first of all click on clear cache. So after click on clear cache, click on clear data. So after click on clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can fix Gmail not working problem on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.